Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can nail the Smurfette look in DTI. So in this DTI tutorial, I'm showing you how you can recreate the Smurfette look, iconic look with first fashion forward twist that both nostalgic and next level. So the outfits, it's actually pretty simple to create this one, and let me show you how. So first, for the skin tone, you can just choose this blue color on the color palette here, and you can use any makeup that you want. Then as for the hair, I'm going to use this black hair first and color it yellow and combine it with this curly hair also in yellow. And then for the hat, I'm going to use this hat in here, this one, and change the color into white and adjust the position and rotate. So here I'm going to make it like this and adjust the position and also the scale. So this is for the hat. And for the dress and also the shoe, first I'm going to use this skirt and just leave the color into white, and also this top in here. And the shoe, change the color into white, and you are done. So this is the final look for the Smurfette. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.